Welcome back to Fly King Drone. Please consider clicking on subscribing to support the channel. In today's episode, we had a little drone mishap. Didn't go as planned. Our flight was very typical to what I've done multiple times before, taking off facing some trees and bushes that are towards the front of the yard. And for whatever reason, it went backwards. I was giving it controls to move forward. Actually had several flights prior, but for some reason it would not respond to controls and just literally backed straight up into some trees in the yard. Had a GPS signal. I didn't press the home button, and home would have been forward away from the trees, and unfortunately it broke the rear leg, which is a fixed leg. It's held in by 3 screws, so I was able to take it out, and it really just broke into 2 pieces. The leg is actually hollow, and it looks like the antenna cable there on that left-hand back leg actually comes down, so the Wi-Fi cable is probably down through there. So it's just loose, and you could even fly it, I guess, if you really wanted to without the leg at all, but in looking at how it broke, there was no way just trying to glue the pieces were going to hold it together with any kind of strength. So I looked, at how it was attached and decided I could make probably some repairs with some really aggressive duct tape that we have. It's very similar to a brand called Gorilla Tape. It's an off-market brand from a farm store, but the tape is very aggressive and unbelievably strong, so much stronger than regular duct tape. And so by putting a piece down the center in the hollow inside of the leg, and then taping it on the outside also, I was able to put the antenna back down the center of the leg and actually reattach it right onto the drone again with some duct tape. I did reach out to MJX, and they don't publish much about how to get repairs. So it turns out they have a service address. It's service@mjxtoys.com. And I reached out to them. They've been very responsive. They told me that I can order a leg for over $11 just for one leg. I am corresponding back and forth with them to decide whether or not I will order it or not. I'm hoping they do offer free shipping, but at $11.80 for a single leg, that seemed a bit high. If I can get 2 for that, I think I might be willing to do it, or stick with my duct taped leg repair solution. I was literally able just to put this really aggressive duct tape down the center on the inside, and then put some tape on the outside of the leg also. And it holds as firmly actually as the solid unbroken leg. So it's in there very well. It's waterproof tape. And again, it's very aggressive adhesive, so I'm not too concerned about it coming off. So we'll see. May order the replacement from MJX, or I may just stick with this repair. But crash number 1 and survived.